Hey friends, welcome to the craft room. I'm really glad you're here. Thank you so much for everyone who showed up for that live on Friday, and for those who have rewatched it. I'm so appreciative of everyone's support. You guys are so amazing. Thank you so much for being there and supporting me. The post office is closed today for the holiday, but everything will be in the mail first thing tomorrow morning, and I'm really excited to get all this stuff to you guys. So many fun, beautiful projects that you've claimed. Just thank you so much. It was amazing for me. As promised, we are going to go over new fabric today. I've received a small order from Art Gallery and kind of a bigger order from Riley Blake, so we'll have both stacks here. First up, because we've seen this one before, I ordered another bolt of the Melodic Blooms. It's kind of this creamy background with the cone flowers in it. This one I went through a lot, so this one's just been reordered and restocked. And then there's this Twinkling Ruet. This one again was a popular one, so this one's just been restocked. So we're just gonna get those ones out of the way because we've seen them before, but now we have whole bolts of those ones. I love using this cone flower as a background. I use it as a background in Stars for Carter. So if you're interested in that Stars for Carter bundle, I have all of the yardage so you can get the whole quilt's worth of background fabric. So here you go, Tan. These two are ready, and they go on the bottom shelf. That shy eye contact.
Are we gonna?
Okay. Yeah, you're gonna have to help him put those away.
I'm gonna put the dog out because you can't stay in here.
What?
The dog. Is it like? Can we close the door? Or is it?
She's warming my foot.
Well, I don't think it's a problem.
Okay.
If she starts like barking and like jumping on the table like a maniac, then yeah, I can see that'd be a problem with her being in here.
Okay,
But until then,
I was just asking you.
oh no, as long as she's not a problem, I don't care that she's in here. All right, next or first up for Riley Blake is this pretty, it's a green blue. They've called it sage. I don't think it's a true sage, but it is a beautiful greenish blue, kind of like a robin's eggs, but definitely not as vibrant. It's a more muted hue. It's got these pretty little leaves in there. It goes really well with the small and sweet. Do you remember that bright bundle I made? And I had run out of an aqua, so I had to take it down, but it had pinks and corals and this kind of blue in there and some yellows. This would be a perfect match for that small and sweet floral. Hey, Rai, hand me that pink flower one. Yep, that's the one. Perfect, thank you. So these two go together very well. It matches that blue pretty well. Thank you, sweetheart. There you go. So that one's really pretty. All of these fabrics are already listed, so you actually could have seen them a couple of days ago, but this is the official I get to show you everything video. Okay, here you go, Tim. Just be careful. They're beads, okay?
Okay.
All right, next up from Riley Blake is kind of this olivey green. Definitely a little bit more rustic, kind of a little bit more primitive style. The color is a very rich, beautiful green. It has these X's and squares in them. I think it is really gorgeous. Definitely a true green, which I have been making an effort to get some more true greens into the shop, and this one is like perfectly true green. Very beautiful, very dark, very rich. It's very pretty. Here you go, Tim. Thanks, bud. This one is really pretty. I ended up picking a couple from this line just because I love the colors in them and the design style. These are really pretty flowers. I love the bright yellow pops with the orange in there. This looked very kind of blue-green, the very jewel tone online, but it is actually a lot more green in person. And I'm not mad about it. It's very pretty. I have this one in the green with the navy, but I also had it or got it in this cream, and it has tans and kind of light golds in there. It's so beautiful. It has these little blue spots in there, which actually match that blue green that we saw very up first. So that one is also part of this line. This is called the Feels Like Home line. So those colors go really well with this as well. But these are so pretty. So same pattern, just different colorway. They're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So another good low volume one, but I think it's vibrant enough that you could do something really beautiful with this fabric. Okay, Tan, you ready for these ones? I'm really pleased with these. So much prettier in person for sure. Good job. That's 2 at a time. Here is another low volume. I said that I was going to be looking for some more of these. These are all cute doors. Do you see that? So it's a creamy background and the doors are a light gray. So very subtle, but I think it is so cute with all of those doors in the background. But I'm also like a sucker for old architecture, so that's probably what drew me to these as well. I feel like if you drive through the older communities here in town, you can find each and every one of these doors. So I thought that was pretty cool. Hey, Ella, since you're there, you put that one up too. Thanks, babe. This one is just fun. It's just plain fun. This is a bright green. Huh?
I love that one.
You love this one? Yeah, this one's really pretty. It's really cute. It kind of has this like darker green like cross hatch in the background, what kind of gives it a little bit more texture, but those cute little daisies, they are just so adorable.
Are you gonna make another flower quilt with that one?
I could probably make another flower quilt with this one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one
I'd
yet.
snatch it and put it on my bed.
You snatch all my quilts, cute girl.
Because you're so warm.
Okay, those are, oh, here's the last of Riley Blake. So I found this rusty, kind of dusty pink to go as a substitute if you wanted to make the mulberry quilt, because that was kind of the intention behind this one. But it is a beautiful dusty pink. It's actually part of the Albion line. Riley, there's the grayish blue with the red flowers in it. To your left, one more. Yep, that's the one.
It's gray.
It's a grayish blue.
Okay.
So it's not as deep blue as those ones. It's not gray.
I
She's
got
like,
you.
was that gray? So this is the Albion floral, and these actually go together. So those flowers are like a perfect match. So if you already have this Albion floral and you're looking for that dusty pink, I've got it for you. But even standalone, this is a really beautiful color. And even though the stripes are more prominent, I think it's gorgeous. And I think it would blend into anything very well. So I'm really happy with that one. It's gorgeous. Glad I found another one of that line. This piece of hair is making me crazy.
I'm sorry, Mom.
It's not your fault. There, I just fixed it because I kept like brushing it. So I just fixed it. So beautiful dusty pink. I'm really liking that one a lot. Okay, there's those two back, if you wouldn't mind. I found me some True Blues. I've had this one in my personal stash, and I really like using this one. Now we're to Art Gallery Fabrics. And this is like a perfect baby blue. Like it is so pretty. And it's cute because it just has the little plus signs in there. So there's not a lot to it, but it is an adorable pattern. But I love that it's neutral. You can put it in any feminine or, you know, boy quilts, because I'm trying to get more neutral patterns in here. This is a great option. It's a great blue. It is a perfect blue. This one up here definitely looked closer to that blue, but this has a little bit more of an aqua feel to it. Can you see that? So this is more true blue. This kind of has an aqua feel, and even like the little hash marks and stuff in there are pulling a little bit more aqua, in my opinion. Still really cute. I'm not disappointed at all. It's a very cute color, very vibrant, very fun, very light. It's making me think of like swimming pools, like that kind of blue. So it's having me ready for warmer weather. It's cold out there today. And last but definitely not least, I have been looking for a good raspberry color actually for a very long time. It's one of those things, like I know what I want and I have it up here, and when I see it, I know it, but I have not been able to find a good raspberry until now. I just think this is one of the prettiest shades. And since I'm doing better at branching out and going into reds and purples a little bit more, this is like the perfect compromise of red and purple. I mean, raspberry is just the best way that I can describe it. It goes really well with, Riley, you ready to help me one more time?
Oh,
And then I promise I'll leave you alone.
it's fine.
There's the apples. Yep. And you can hand me the butterfly ones right next to it, or moth. Yeah, perfect, thank you.
I'm so excited.
They're definitely in that colorway right here. So if you already have some of these Sweetbriar fabrics, this is another good addition to add. Love it. And also in kind of a more neutral pattern too, so that we can use it more places. There are quite a few. This is kind of one of Art Gallery's basics, so to speak. Well, they'll always have them in stock, and they have these in a lot of colors. And I personally have them in a light blue. I know I had them in yellow at one point. Oh, here's peach. That's all I can find right now, but this kind of like peachy pink and this aqua blue. I really love these in all the colors, and I like that the pattern is, it's cute and it's light, but it's not heavy, so it goes a lot of places. So I would really like to get some more of these colors and kind of slowly start collecting those. But this is the Flights of Fancy collection. So if you have some of these colors that you love, tell me which ones you like. Like I said, I love this blue, this peachy color. I love the blue. I had like a deep mustardy yellow. Oh, there it is. It's in pieces back there. I love this mustardy yellow. So this is one of my favorites for sure, and I end up using it quite a bit. So tell me what other colors you'd like to see in that one, because I would love to keep collecting them. Okay, I'll sort those later. But that is our fabric lineup. That was great. Lots of good new things. My shelves are getting full again, which is great. We're looking a little sparse there for a little bit. I think I need some more yellows because I've been cleaned out of those pretty good. Yellow, oranges, and browns. Kind of that like section. It's looking a little thin. But other than that, are there any colors or the things that you're looking for? Thanks to that sale that we just had of all those projects, we're going to be able to order some more fabric a little bit quicker. I'm still waiting to hear back about other lines, but there are so many beautiful options still with Riley Blake and Art Gallery fabrics. I'm not feeling the pressure to like sit and hold my breath for them. You know what I mean? So let me know what you're looking for. Let me know which of these fabrics you love. Another huge thank you for that sale on Friday. You all are wonderful. We will see you next time where we will actually make something. It's going to be awesome. See you then, friends. Bye.